Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Lovely Garden stamp set. Actually, it's the bundle, and I'll be using the Lovely Garden Designer Series paper, and one of the colors in the paper is Melon Mambo, so I'm using Melon Mambo. Bringing in my trimmer here, so this card base is 11 inches by 4 1/4. I'm scoring at 2 1/8 and 5 1/2. So I am going to keep the trimmer handy, but I'm going to, on the edge of this card, I'm going to make a tick at 2 1/8. So then I'm going to crease the fold so that I can actually see where I need to cut. And I'm going to go from the tick mark to the scored lined edge. So I'm going to slice off that triangle, and I'm going to do it on the other side. Now, if you are wanting to keep this Fun Fold PDF, there is a link below in the video's description, or if you're on my blog, you're going to see a big pink button that says download PDF. And you can certainly grab this PDF and save it for your files. All right, so here's the card. I'm going to fold it in half first, and then I'm going to fold the point, doink, the other way. So I think this is called a diamond flip card. It looks like that. It's kind of like it's like a variation of a Z fold, I think. So here comes the Lovely Garden Designer Series paper. This piece is 5 1/4 by 4. And it's so funny because I always need to see the long side when I put paper on. So I had to turn it so that I could see the long side. Anyway, so yeah, 5 1/4 by 4. There's another piece here for the inside, and that's 3 1/8 by 4 4. 3 1/8 by 4. And that's for this piece as well. 3 1/8 inches by 4 inches. And then I'm going to add two pieces of basic white, and they are 2 3/4 inches by 2 3/4 inches. This first one, I'm only going to put adhesive on half of the square, and I will make mention that I am using dry adhesive, but you can use glue if you want. So I'm going to place this piece right over top of that pointed flap, but I'm going to notice to make sure that my corners line up properly. And then I'm going to put adhesive all along this square. Then, and I'm just tucking in some of the extra adhesive that was on the outside because I missed. And then I'm going to, facing me, the adhesive goes on. So you can see it there. And then I'm just going to close the card and then open it. And then you shall see the inside where you're putting the message. So I am going to play around with this Lovely Garden bundle. So this is, I can't remember what the name of this flower is, but someone's going to make a mention in the comments below. Oh, that's my washi tape. Cute, hey? So I put dimensionals on the back side of this flower. I just remember this flower from my auntie, God rest her soul. She had these big flowers at her house. Anyway, they were beautiful. They were pink though. So this little die, people are asking me, what does it cut out? There's 3 flower petals kind of just above the stem, and that's how it goes on. So I stamped a couple of times and I got extra little buds, florals, whatever. And I put dimensional adhesive on them, and then that way you can floof out your flower. I can't remember the name, you guys. It's driving me nuts. Somebody tell me what it is in the comments. Okay, so I used 2, and then this third one I'm just going to stick right there. I'm going to use boho blue and blueberry bushel. So for the sentiment. And you guys, I just colored and everything, all my flower and everything off camera, just because this is a fun fold and you just want to learn about the fun fold, right? So You don't need coloring this time around. So it says live with love. And thanks. So this is my fun fold for today. Thank you so much for spending time with me, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up, all the YouTubey things that you do. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.